In this lesson, I'm going to cover dictionary in Python. It is one of the built-in data structure of Python. Normally, when we need to store information associated with some key or identifier, we use the dictionary. For example, think about the information of a person. His name, age, email address, etc. are key value pairs. Let's create a Python dictionary to understand what we're talking about. Create a list named user. We use curly brackets to declare a dictionary. Let's create some space here by taking a new line. Here, name is the key and the value is my name, Nuruzzaman Faruqui. A colon always separates the key and the value, and each pair is separated by a comma. Another key is age and the value is 28. When we use a string, it has to be in quotations. However, when we use numbers, we do not need any quotation. Then another key is email, and the value is my email, faruqizaman27@gmail.com. So we can store strings and numbers. We can store Boolean values too. For example, the key is underscore verified and the value is true. A comma in the last pair is not necessary. Let's print this dictionary and run this program. Here you go. We can see the dictionary. It consists of name-value pairs. The advantage of using the dictionary is we can get a specific value using key only. We do not need to know the index. Here, type the key name and run the program. We can see Nuruzzaman Faruqui is on the terminal. That's the name. Let's try the age key. Now we can see the age here. Remember that the keys are case sensitive. If we try age again, by starting with a small letter this time, then we get a key error. Let's try something which is not in the dictionary. Password. We've got the key error again. There is a method called get method. The get method returns values if it is available. If no value is available, it returns none. Let's try the password key in the get method. Run it and we've got none here. This time there is no error message. Let's try the age key again. We've got the value. Dictionaries are not immutable. That means we can change the existing values. Type the name of the dictionary, which is user. Then we have to use the age key and assign 29 to it. Now run the program and we can see the age is 29 now. If we print the dictionary again, we can see the age is 29. It is not like that we can change values only. We can also assign a new key and assign a value to it. For example, let's insert the job key and the value is teaching. Run the program and here we can see this key value pair is on the dictionary. So that's all about dictionaries. Let's go to the next lesson.